Space is vast, a cosmic ocean of unimaginable darkness dotted with islands of light we call stars. For most of human history, we have looked up at this ocean from our small blue shore, believing we were alone. We cataloged the familiar travelers in our own solar system, the planets, the asteroids, the comets. These were our neighbors, part of our celestial family. But every now and then, the cosmic ocean washes something new onto our shore, something from far, far away. This is the story of one such visitor, an object named 3I/Atlas. It is the third interstellar object ever detected, a traveler from another star system. What makes 3I/Atlas so compelling is not just where it came from, but what it appears to be doing, or rather not doing. When an object from the frigid outer reaches gets close to a star, something beautiful happens. It forms a glowing tail. But 3I/Atlas is different. It has no tail. Our most sensitive instruments have looked for signs of gas or dust, but they have found nothing. It is completely inert, silent, and dark. Yet here is the mystery. It is not moving like a simple rock. Objects in space follow the unyielding laws of gravity, but 3I/Atlas is deviating from this path. It is showing a slight but unmistakable acceleration away from the sun, a gentle push that gravity alone cannot explain. Adding to the strangeness is its retrograde orbit. It's traveling around the sun in the opposite direction to all the planets, like a salmon swimming upstream in a river of celestial bodies. These clues have led some scientists, most notably Avi Loeb of Harvard University, to a startling hypothesis. He suggests we may be looking at something not made by nature. What if the gentle push is from the pressure of sunlight itself? For this to happen, the object would need to be very thin, like a solar sail. In this view, 3I/Atlas could be a piece of advanced technology, an artifact from another civilization, a probe sent to explore the galaxy. This is an extraordinary claim, and it requires extraordinary evidence. Most astronomers are searching for a more natural explanation. They're cosmic detectives looking for clues that fit within known laws of physics. One leading theory is that 3I/Atlas is a dark comet, releasing gas in a way invisible to our telescopes. Perhaps it's emitting pure hydrogen, which is incredibly difficult to detect directly. Critics dismiss the alien theory as nonsense on stilts, arguing that the universe is full of phenomena we're only beginning to understand. Faced with this profound mystery, Avi Loeb has proposed a bold and controversial next step. What if we tried to communicate? He wants to use our powerful radio telescopes to beam a message toward 3I/Atlas. The message he proposes is just 6 words long. Hello, welcome to our neighborhood, peace. The choice of words is deliberate and strategic, a cosmic telegram sent in hope that someone is listening. For Loeb, the clock is ticking. 3I/Atlas is on a path that will carry it out of our solar system forever. The window of opportunity is small. The idea is not without critics. Some argue that sending a message is naive. How could we translate our language? Others believe it's better to listen first before revealing our presence. It's an attempt to start a conversation, to bridge the immense gap between stellar systems with a simple, hopeful greeting. The risks are significant, the stuff of science fiction nightmares. This is the dark forest theory. The universe is like a dark forest, and every civilization is a silent hunter. To reveal your location is to make yourself a target. We have no idea about the intentions of any civilization that may have sent this probe. Many scientists, including the late Stephen Hawking, have warned against actively broadcasting our presence, arguing the stakes are just too high. But the potential reward is almost beyond imagination. If successful, we would have our first definitive proof that we are not alone in the universe. This discovery would reshape science, philosophy, religion, and our very understanding of ourselves. It could usher in a new era of cosmic awareness. A successful communication could be the first step in joining a galactic community, defining the future of our species. If we send our message, the next step would be to listen. This is where artificial intelligence becomes essential, scanning the radio spectrum for any signal from 3I/Atlas. AI would search for patterns, for non-random structures hidden within cosmic static, the telltale sign of intelligence that cannot be explained by natural processes. This would be a modern version of the Turing test, determining if a signal is indistinguishable from one produced by an intelligent being. A reply might contain mathematical or physical constants like pi or the spectral line of hydrogen, universal concepts any technological civilization would understand. By identifying these fundamental patterns, AI could begin to decipher the syntax and structure of an alien language, a monumental task of digital cryptology. AI would provide a probability score. If that confidence reached an overwhelmingly high number, we could confidently announce the discovery. As 3I/Atlas draws closer, this close pass will provide an unprecedented opportunity for observation. The world's most powerful telescopes will be pointed in its direction. The James Webb Space Telescope will search with extreme sensitivity for any trace of outgassing. If it detects even minuscule amounts of gas, the dark comet theory gains support. Radar astronomy will reveal the object's exact shape, size, and rotation. An unusually thin or geometric shape would be stunning evidence. The plan to send a message is still being fiercely debated. International bodies are weighing the risks and rewards of this momentous decision. If approved, a consortium of radio observatories will coordinate to send the 6-word greeting as 3I/Atlas reaches its closest point. Immediately after, those same dishes will switch to listening mode, straining to hear any reply. The world will be holding its breath. Whatever happens next, we are living in a remarkable time. If 3I/Atlas is revealed to be natural, we'll learn something profound about cosmic diversity. If it's revealed to be an artifact, human history will be forever divided into two eras: the time when we thought we were alone and the time after. As this silent visitor prepares for its fleeting passage through our neighborhood, we are poised on the brink of discovery. The coming months will be a thrilling chapter in the human story, a testament to our relentless curiosity as we continue to explore the final frontier.